Today, I'll show you how to use Bar Replay in TradingView. Bar Replay is a tool that lets you go back in time on a chart and watch the market move forward one candle at a time. It's useful if you want to practice trading, study old setups, or test how you would react without seeing what happens next. TradingView says Bar Replay is built into supercharts and is made for reviewing past market movement in a more realistic way. To get started, open a chart in TradingView and look at the top toolbar. Click the Bar Replay button. Once you do that, TradingView will ask you to choose where you want the replay to begin. Just click on the point in the chart where you want to start. For example, you can choose the beginning of a trading day, a breakout area, or any setup you want to study. After that, press play. The chart will begin moving forward from that point. You can let it run normally, pause it, or move forward one candle at a time. This is helpful because you can stop and think before the next candle appears, just like you would in a real market. TradingView says the replay controls work much like video controls, so it's easy to speed up, slow down, or step through the chart bar by bar. You can also change the replay speed. If the chart is moving too fast, slow it down. If you already understand the setup and want to move quicker, speed it up. There is also a replay interval setting, which controls how much chart data appears each step. If you want to start from a different place, use the replay controls and choose another point on the chart. You do not need to rebuild the whole chart from the beginning every time. TradingView also says Bar Replay can work across more than one chart in the same layout, which is useful if you want to watch more than one time frame together. One important thing to remember is that Bar Replay does not work on every chart type. TradingView says some chart types like Renko and Point and Figure are not supported. So if the replay button does not work, the chart type may be the reason. And that's how to use Bar Replay in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.